Hello and welcome back to Gray and Crochet. In this video I'm going to show you how to do a front post crochet stitch. This concept is the same no matter what stitch you're trying to do. I'm going to demonstrate using US double crochets, but literally if you're doing single, half doubles or trebles, it is the same. You're just going to be working around this stitch. So I've just changed the yarn to pink so you can see it a little bit better, but essentially instead of working through the top loops like you normally would, you'll be working around the actual stitch from the previous round. So for my double, I'm just going to begin by yarning over. I'm going to go through the back on the right side like this. So my hook is now on the other side, and I'm going to bring my hook through the other end of the stitch from the previous round. So it looks something like this. Your hook has gone in from the right to the left and your stitch is sitting in front of your hook like this. And now I'm just going to yarn over and pull it to the other side like this. So you can see that the yarn is going through the back of that stitch, and I can complete my double crochet as normal. So yarn over, pull through two, and do that again. So that is a front post double, and it looks a little bit like this. So you can see that it's going around that stitch instead of just the top of it, and it looks like this from the back. Not much different, but you can see that it's left a little bit of a gap here because you're not actually working into the top stitches versus your normal double crochets that you would have worked. I'm going to do that one more time. So yarn over, I'm going to go through the right side of that stitch like that, bring the hook through the other side, so from right to left, and the stitch is sitting in front of my hook. Yarn over, bring it through to the other side, and complete my stitch. And that is how you work front post stitches. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one.